you want to change up your aesthetics, then color your beard and mustache for looking more vibrant. In this video, I am going to tell you the 5 best beard dye for sensitive skin that has hypoallergenic formula with 0 harmful ingredients, and your skin will love it. Also, they got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Godefroy Professional Hair Color Tint Kit. If you have gray hairs that refuse to color and have tried other treatments, I recommend that you try Godefroy Color Tint Kit. It is a product that may help you hide even the most stubborn grays on your beard. This kit can be used on beards, mustache, sideburns, temples, or anywhere you need a little color. It is in cream form, so it does not leak or cause stains. The application's procedure is simple, and each box contains enough capsules for 20 applications because they are pre-measured. This means you can color your beard 20 times with a single purchase, providing that the dye color doesn't wash off for at least 3 weeks. This product should last you for a while. If you decide to remove it sooner, you can do so in a couple of minutes. As a bonus, you won't have to fear that it will dye your face skin because that's not how this product works. The nicest part is that the color does not adhere your skin. Number 4. Clairol Natural Instinct Semi-Permanent Beard Color Kit. With the application process taking only 10 minutes, Clairol Natural Instinct is very easy to use and its effects last between 4 to 6 weeks. This means that you get to wash your beard for up to 28 times and the color will fade naturally without harsh to root lines. You can even vary the color while leaving a beard dye slightly longer if you want your beard to be darker. Make sure to apply it carefully as it can stain the skin areas around your beard. Unlike most other beard dyes, this one doesn't contain ammonia at all. Instead, it's infused with antioxidants and conditioning aloe that provides a long-lasting and natural color. Men with sensitive skin might want to look elsewhere, as there were several cases when this product caused itchiness and irritation. You can even vary the color by leaving a beard dye slightly longer if you want your beard to be darker. Number 3. Grizzly Mountain Organic and Natural Dark Brown. Grizzly Mountain Beard Dye distinguishes itself from competitors by using natural components. The beard coloring is 100% organic with no chemical or synthetic ingredients. This makes it an ideal solution for men who have sensitive skin, as the chances that will cause irritation are significantly reduced. It is quite simple to apply and gives natural hues in brown shades that mix in with your natural beard color, ensuring that you do not appear ridiculous with a heavy black or fake-looking beard. Even when it fades, it does so in a more natural way, while keeping the color for at least 2 weeks, even if you have a naturally dark brown hair, because the color does not penetrate the hair follicles and remains on the hair. It seems more natural and does not cause discomfort. There is no expiration date on the beard dye, regardless of when you purchase it. Once you have begun using it, all you have to do is maintain it sealed and at room temperature. Number 2. The Henna Guy's Hair and Beard Dye. Henna Guy's hair and beard color is one of the most effective dyeing products on the market. The hair and beard coloring product is simple to use and requires only 2 steps to create a beautiful beard. In fact, this product is packed with natural ingredients that are also known to protect your beard hairs from damaging. The cream is entirely stain-free and will not stain your skin, so you won't have to look for ways to remove the beard dye. The lotion is gentle on the skin and the hair. It absorbs quickly and produces a natural color that fits well with the beard. The manufacturer states that the quality of the product is high, thanks to the fact that none of the products from which is made are older than 18 months. It is an organic product, which means it does not include any toxic or harsh ingredients that might cause allergies or irritation. Because the product is in powder form, it is simple to apply and remove. It must be disguised on the skin, but it does not leave stains or other the skin. Number 1. Cremo No Mix No Mess Hair and Beard Color. This is a formula that doesn't drip or make a mess. You don't even need other utensils for this color. You can use the product straight onto your beard and your mustache as well. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes after applying the cream, then wash the color out with plain water. The color is completely organic and natural. There are no harmful parabens involved in the ingredients. The dye is very gentle, so your skin won't have any trouble with it. Yet, it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure that you get a patch test done before you apply the dye. The color your beard evenly without drying it out. The color is strong enough to cover gray hair, and the result will last for many months. It is made of coarse beard that doesn't need any more roughness to it. Use the color mix on your beard and feel it get softer from the very first wash.